So originally it was still looked like a courthouse. There was still the judge's chambers and all of that. So it's changed drastically.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
So this is Sebring Primary Care. We started this practice January of 2020, but what we did is we were doing construction at that time, so we expanded the office. It was originally 4 exam rooms, now it's 12. It includes laboratory and radiology now, and we'll have specialists here. So we're going to start with general surgery. They'll be here starting Wednesday. So we've expanded the office, and it will also have walk-in care. So it has the full continuum for the patients.
How important is it to have all of that in one location?
It's very important, especially for the patients, because then they don't have to drive to their specialist or drive to have their x-ray or their lab work. They can come right here where they live, in the community that they live in, to get that service.
This is a rural community. How important is it, to expand services in places like this where, there traditionally haven't been that full continuum?
Yeah, so Mercy's really excited to be out in this community to offer this service to this community and these patients. It allows them to come to one place and have their services where they used to have to drive much further. And even patients that were already Mercy patients that live in this community can now come to this office and have their services done. Our farthest south office, if you will, was Salem Primary Care, which is, some miles down the road. So we haven't been in this. It's Mahoning County here, but it's real close to Columbiana County, so we haven't been this far.
What led you to select this area, this part of Mahoning, Columbiana County?
The providers that joined Mercy Health had an office in Damascus. That office wasn't feasible for us at the time, so we moved to this location. It was a former courthouse that moved across the street, so we were able to find this location and then to renovate it.
Looking further down the road, what is Mercy Health's future in, this sort of southwestern part of Mahoning County? What happens next? What happens after this to continue improving that access to care?
So what we hope to have is more specialists here to offer different specialties, like we've done in the other offices, possibly ear, nose, and throat or orthopedics. And so we're hoping to add, since we do have 12 exam rooms now, more specialists to this location. And it does have a walk-in care, so that allows our patients to walk in. They don't need an appointment, and they can just, receive services if their doctor can't see them that day.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit BusinessJournalDaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to AfterHoursYoungstown.com.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.